Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to fix the problem of USB ports not working on Windows. If your mouse, keyboard, or flash drive is not being detected, we'll go step by step to solve it. First of all, you can try plugging in your USB drive to your device. So you can just go and look out for your USB drive if there is any, and you will be finding a USB drive available under devices and drivers under your file manager. You can also test out the device on another computer to make sure it's not the device itself that is faulty. Apart from that, what we can do is once you check it out, you can restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart reloads the USB drivers and fixes the issues. So you can directly head over to the Windows icon and look out for this option right here and click on shutdown and restart it. Or you can just go ahead and use the shortcut keys available to restart your device and see that if that works. You can also try disconnecting all of the USB devices, restart and then reconnect them. The next thing we can do is we can check out Device Manager, hit Windows plus X for that and go ahead and open up Device Manager. And then once you open up your Device Manager, you may go ahead and click on expand the section for Universal Serial Bus Controllers or Devices. Expand it up. Once you expand it up here, you will be finding your disabled drivers or the drivers that are connected. So if you see any kind of yellow warning signs or disabled drivers, for example, let's say this is it, you can right click on it. And once you right click on it, you can find an option for enabling it. You can click on enable device, or you can update the driver, click on update driver. And then you can just go ahead and search automatically with drivers and update the drivers for that USB drive and see if it works. You can also try installing and reinstalling the USB drivers. In your device manager, you can go ahead and right click each USB root half. Right click on it, go ahead and look out for install device and confirm it. And then once you do so, you can restart your computer and Windows will automatically reinstall the fresh drivers available. Apart from that, you can turn off power saving. So go to control panel, just go ahead and open up your control panel, hit enter, and from control panel, go to hardware and sounds, this one right here, and open it up. Under hardware and sounds, you can just go ahead and find the option for power options and open this one right here. And after you open it up, you can expand the USB settings here if there is any kind of USB settings available. Let me just go ahead and see. And you can find the option for change plan settings. You can just go ahead and select the USB settings for that. Click on change plan settings and go ahead and change advanced power settings. And find USB 1 here, USB settings, under power options, and set it to disabled. So you can just go ahead and select the option for disabled. You may just go to on battery and enabled, make it disabled. After that, click on apply and click on OK. And that should do it. And see if that works. And if your Windows has any update available, you can just update your Windows to the latest version also. And that's it. Those are the main ways to fix the USB ports not working on your Windows. You can try each step in order and you should have your devices working again. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.